In this quick tutorial I want to show you how to find a saved password on Google Chrome. Maybe it's a password for your Amazon account, maybe for your Google account, and so on. And if you can remember your old passwords, this is a great way to see them instead of changing them. So if you save a password on Google Chrome, you can actually see that. All you have to do, you will have to press on these three dots from the top right hand corner of Google Chrome. Now let's hit settings. And you will have to go in the left side of the screen. You can locate here a menu and you have to locate autofill and passwords. Let's press on it and you have to find here Google Password Manager. Let's hit on Google Password Manager and inside here you can locate all the passwords which you saved in Google Chrome. If you want to find and see a specific password, press on the website on which you'd like to see your password. As an example, let's choose to find my Amazon password, and now in my case I will have to enter the PIN of my computer, and I will do it right now. And now I can locate my password, it's right here. If I want to see it, all I have to do, I will have to press on show password on this eye icon, and now my password is visible. All you have to do, you will have to press on this A icon. So this is how to find a password and how to see a password on Google Chrome.